stayed in this Raintree Resort. Great place to stay at. It is like surrounded with natural beauty, and the food and service was amazing. Really good place to stay, and it is in the midst of dense jungle kind of a thing. So it is very good. A great experience here staying.
Okay, hi. So, Raintree Resort has been a very good resort. We stayed here for 2 nights and 3 days, and we had a very great experience here. The food is very good, especially the staff. They're very humble, very caring. So, I really enjoyed a lot. The place is amazing. The service is very good, and you really feel like that. Well, feel like you're staying in a forest. So it was a great experience altogether. Thank you so much.
The food was really great, and place is very well maintained, and the views are awesome. The location is also very good, and overall it's a nice place to stay in and enjoy the weekends.